Rohit Sharma and his men are set to begin their quest for the second successive ICC trophy as India will start their Champions Trophy campaign against Bangladesh at the Dubai International Stadium. Indian men's cricket team journey in Champions Trophy has been impressive with 2 titles and 4 finals in their kitty. The men in blue will be looking to add another feather in their cap this year.
Led by Rohit Sharma, Team India enters the competition as a top contender, boasting a well-balanced squad featuring stalwarts like Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill and Shreyas Iyer, along with a formidable all-round unit. Team India has enjoyed a rich history in Champions Trophy, winning the title twice and reaching 4 finals in 8 editions. India has an impressive history in the Champions Trophy, having won the tournament twice in 2002 and in 2013 under MS Dhoni's captaincy. In 2013, India was undefeated throughout the tournament. In the first 2 Champions Trophies, India performed well but got knocked out in the playoffs. Sourav Ganguly's team reached the final but fell short against New Zealand, losing by 4 wickets in the year 2000. The 2004 to 2009 period saw India go through a rough patch as they faced group stage exit in 3 consecutive Champions Trophies. India bounced back in 2013 and reached the final in 2017 but faced a crushing defeat against Pakistan in the final. Placed in Group A, India began their Champions Trophy campaign against Bangladesh on 20th February. They will go on to face arch rivals Pakistan in a much anticipated contest on 23rd February and play their final group stage match against New Zealand on March 2. India holds a strong record against Bangladesh in ICC tournaments and will look to continue their dominance. In terms of key battles, Rohit Sharma's battle against Mustafizur Rahman will be crucial as the left-arm pacer has troubled Indian batsmen in the past. Another matchup to watch will be Virat Kohli facing Taskin Ahmed's express pace. On the other side, India's young pacer Arshdeep Singh will look to make early inroads against Bangladesh's aggressive opener Liton Das. With high stakes and passionate fan bases, the return of Champions Trophy promises to be an exciting affair. Sports Desk, DD India.
Earlier, clinical New Zealand outplayed Pakistan by 60 runs in the opening game of the much-awaited Champions Trophy 2025 in Karachi on Wednesday. Centuries each from Tom Latham and Will Young alongside a fiery 50 from Glenn Phillips steered New Zealand to 320 for 5 in 50 overs. Pakistan skipper Mohammad Rizwan won the toss and opted to bowl. The decision seemed right as the hosts reduced the Black Caps to 73 for 3 at one stage. But a 118-run partnership between Young and Latham turned the tide in New Zealand's favour. For Pakistan, Naseem Shah was the most successful bowler with figures of 2 for 63. Pakistan struggled in the chase due to their slow start of 22 for 2 in 10 overs. Kushdil Shah and Salman Agha scored quickfire 69 and 42, but it wasn't enough for the home team. And our sports correspondent Narayan Singh joins us from Delhi with more. Narayan, with India entering the tournament as favourites, how do you see the Team India strategy for the match today?
Good morning, Shubhendu. The way we know that India is a strong contender to lift this edition of the ICC Champions Trophy, and last time they lifted the trophy in 2013. And this time around, if you take a look at the team, it is a highly balanced team. In the bilateral series against England, we saw the way Rohit Sharma was back in the form, and the way Shubman Gill too was in the form, and the way we saw Shreyas Iyer also played some fantastic knock in that series. So all in all, it's looking a very good thing for the India. The players who are out of the form, they are back in the form. And apart from that, in the past, especially if you talk about the 2023 World Cup, where India played an unblemished cricket throughout the tournament, but lost the final against Australia, where we saw that few impact players are missing, especially Rishabh Pant was not that. Hardik Pandya started the tournament, few matches, then got injured and then was out of the tournament. And I think this time around we have many impact players like Rishabh Pant, Hardik Pandya and Akshar Patel in the team. And the presence of impact player definitely makes a different ball game for any team. And India has those impact players here. And apart from that, in that tournament, in 2023 World Cup, we don't have any left-handers in the top 5 or top 6. And this time around, the way Akshar Patel has reinvented himself as an opener, even if you look him in the series against the England, Indian team used him as a floater. And even at the number 4, when he is coming to bat, it was never looked like that. It was an experiment by the Team India. He was purely playing as a batsman, and here also Team India can use him as a floater. And if he is there in the top 5, Rishabh Pant is also there. If a left-hander comes into the play, definitely it changed everything for the opponent, and we are hoping that this time around they will do. And the way, if you talk about the stalwarts of the Indian team, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, this may be their the last World Cup. We can say the big ICC event, especially the next World Cup will take place in 2027, and who knows. But last time around, when India won the Champions Trophy, they were the part of that tournament in 2023 against the leadership of the MS Dhoni, where Rohit Sharma was there, Ravindra Jadeja was also there, and Virat Kohli also there. So again, they are still there and playing for the India. And so this time around, they can just, we can say that the mentor, the junior players who are Indian team as well going through the transition phase. So it's an excellent podium for everyone, for the youngster, for the young player, for the experienced player to go there and win this trophy. And again, just they lost the 50-over format World Cup in the 2023, and this time around they can do an excellent job by winning the trophy. They have the potential, everything is there. Jasprit Bumrah is missing, but still we have the quality all-rounders, the spinning all-rounders, quality pace bowler, the way we can say that the way Shami is inside the team, he is back in the team. So it could be a good thing for the India, and they have the capability to win this tournament.
Right. India's cricket action begins today. Much to look forward to. Narayan, thank you for those updates.